This is Metro Gate, Dasmariñas, Cavite, just along Governor's Drive. Ang main gate niya ay malapit sa Robinsons and SM Palapala, Dasmariñas, Cavite. Diyan banda ang Robinsons at saka SM. Yun sa tinuro ko. Governor's Drive Highway yan. Diyan banda Robinsons and SM. Metro Gate, Dasmariñas, Cavite, just along Governor's Drive. This is parking area. Malawak ang parking area. This is the clubhouse. Dito sa Metro Gate, maraming binibenta ditong house and lot and meron ding lot only. Merong under developer with meron ding resale. This is the swimming pool. Ang swimming pool dito, ang kagandahan ng swimming pool dito, hindi direct sunlight kasi meron siyang nilagay na cover. Parang protected yung skin mo from the sunlight. If you want to buy lot or house and lot here in Metro Gate, just call me at 0908-883-5092. This is the plaza of the clubhouse. Marami ding plaza sa Metro Gate aside from the clubhouse plaza. Kaya if you want to roam around, gusto mag-jogging, this is the right place for you. Since there are lots of plazas that you are going to roam around for walking, for jogging, or for meditation. Ito naman may palaruan dyan. Slides, swing. Yan ay function room yan sa taas. Pwedeng i-rent. Ang tawag ko dito sa bulaklak na to ay maze. Maganda siya pag tuwing summer or basta may time siyang namumulaklak siya ng marami. Yung brown na yan ay covered court. Covered basketball. On the right side, that is pavilion. Pwede rin siyang function area. Pwede kang mag-rent. Yung white, ganun din sa second floor naman siya. Birthdays, weddings. Tingnan natin sa loob ng basketball court. Covered basketball court. Ayan. Then we have also open basketball court and tennis court. Puntahan natin. Ayan. Open tennis court and on the right side is basketball court. So aside from covered court. Ang kagandahan dito sa Metro Gate, ang security guard natin ay 24 hours. And ang gate natin ay we are using RFID already. So iba yung daanan ng resident. Meron lang isang daanan para sa guest on the left side. So if you have cars, yung RFID ang owners ay merong RFID. Ay yung palaruan. This is another plaza. This is also another plaza aside from the plaza of the clubhouse. Malawak itong portion ng plaza na to. So if you want to buy a house and lot or lot at Metro Gate, Dasmariñas, Cavite, just call me at 0908-883-5092. I'm Amy Alonsabe. Pwede ko na rin kayong tulungan mag-process ng title. This is another plaza.